Welcome to the unboxing of your product. Your box contains one product, one mounting base, one adhesive mount, two screws and plugs, one SD card and two batteries. On the front of the product, you have access to all the user interfaces, such as the main LED, main button and NFC antenna location. On the rear of the product, you'll find the user interfaces for installation and maintenance, secondary LED, secondary button, battery compartment and SD card slot. The product can be used freestanding or wall-mounted. It can be installed with screws and plugs or with an adhesive fastener. To install with screws and plugs, drill your wall and insert the two plugs. Position the mounting base and screw it into the wall using the screws. After inserting the batteries, attach the product to the base. Screw in the anti-theft screw. For installation with adhesive mounting, peel the gray film from the adhesive, then press it onto the base for 10 seconds. Peel the second film from the adhesive and stick it to the wall. After inserting the batteries, attach the product to the base. Screw in the anti-theft screw. Once powered, the product initializes for about 1 minute, and after 5 seconds a green LED appears. The product then automatically attempts to connect to the low LoRa network. During the connection phase, the orange LED flashes for 25 seconds. After this time, they freeze in green if the connection is successful, and in red if it fails. In this case, the product will attempt to connect to the network again. If the connection fails, you can still use the product. The product automatically attempts to reconnect every 20 minutes until it succeeds, without disrupting use. Your product is now ready to use.